BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 2018 200 ETEC G2 25-inch. Comes complete with the control box, the digital gauge or digital panel. It's got some analog gauges that come with it too. We've got the trailer in bar, all the manuals, control box. No cable. Well, there is no cables. It's a digital shift. Put in a new water pump just for our own personal mindset, so we know it's got a new water pump. It's got 52.9 hours on it as of right now. Might have 52.10 by the time we're done. So we'll see. We'll run it up for you. Let you hear it go. Kind of letting it warm up. We haven't started today, so. ETECs do take about a minute, 30 seconds to a minute to start pumping water out of the motor. They have such a big cooling system on them. Got forward. There's the water pump. Shut her off one time. We'll give her one snap. And also, like I said, you get a box of accessories here. Some of this stuff you don't really need any of it. This is your trailer and bar, manuals. Like I said, a couple analog gauges, but all that is actually inside the system here. Get to the thing here. Oop. As you can see right here, if you can zoom in on that, I think we actually got a picture of it too. So it's 53 hours now. So we ran it yesterday. We didn't have sound on our video, so we had to redo our video. This comes with it. This is a smart gauge, tells you everything you need to know. Control box is here. Minnesota motor. It's got an 8-year warranty left on it. I can get it registered with my local ETEC dealer. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you. Have a great day.